How to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you just want to save a video edited on TikTok without posting, then firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile in order to be able to view the drafts on your TikTok. Now, tap on the draft that you want to save on your device without posting. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the small arrow-like icon on the right side of your screen. Now, scroll through and you will see the option for save. Tap on that to save the video on your device, and with this, your video will be saved to your album. You can go ahead and now open the Photos application and you will further be able to view the video that you just saved. So this is how you can save TikTok draft video to gallery without posting. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.